Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making a corn and avocado salad. This salad is so delicious and it's perfect for summer because it's so light and fresh, and it's also easy to make. So let's get started. So the first thing I did was I took the corn and I boiled it for 10 minutes, and then I put it on the grill and gave it that blackened look, and then I just took it off and I cut the corn off the cob. And here we have our beautiful finished corn. So the first thing I'm adding in is 3/4 cup of chopped English cucumber. And then I have half a cup of chopped red onion. Half a cup of chopped red bell pepper. Half a cup of cherry tomatoes, which I just chopped in half. And then I have 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds and 1 tablespoon of jalapeno. If you like more spice, you can add more, or if you don't like spice, you can just omit this. 2 cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon of cilantro that's chopped. And then you can't have an avocado and corn salad without the avocado. So I chopped up 1 full avocado. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna give this all a mix and we can start the dressing. So once your salad is all mixed together, we can start making the dressing. This dressing is so easy to make. I'm just using my bullet, or you can use a blender, and we're gonna just mix everything together. So let's do it. So to start with, I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons of chopped mint, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of agave. And last thing is the zest of 1 lime. So I'm gonna dish myself out a little bit. Yum. And this dressing smells so good. Drizzle a little bit over top. And voila, we have our finished salad. So good. That little spiciness from the jalapeno, and it's so fresh. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, it should be listed down below, or you can check it out on my website. Thank you so much for watching.